Welcome guys, this is your friend Sai Patil and welcome once again to my channel and to provide you some precious knowledge once again as usual at your service. So again guys, before beginning the video, you know what I'm going to say. Yes, please then do it now. When you know what I'm going to say, subscribe my channel, like it, comment in the comment box. Your compliments and suggestions are always welcome. And without wasting in time, as usual, let's begin with a new interesting facts. Yes, the first facts on your screen, just have a look. Yes, this is today it's about all over world. I'm going to tell you Guinness World Records made by different people, different amazing people around the world. So get ready. The first one on your screens, there is a girl, dear viewers, you know that her name is Nilanshi Patel. She belongs to Ahmedabad from Murasa town. Somewhere around Murasa town is 110 kilometers away from Ahmedabad. Now what's so special about this girl? This girl has made a Guinness World Record in the longest hair in the teenager category. And let me tell you something interesting. Her length of the hair, now you're wondering longest hair means what's the length exactly? Yes, the length is 190 centimeters. See the image on the screen, see the hair, it is not artificial. You must be thinking, yeah, artificial. No, it's real, and that is why she holds the Guinness World Record book. And something more added to this. This is not the first time. This is the second time she has got Guinness World Record in the longest hair category. The first she had got 1 year previous. That means 2018 under 170 centimeter length. That means in 1 year her 20 centimeter hair was grown. You understand? 20 centimeters increase in her length. In 2018 she had got first Guinness World Record, and 2019 again 190 centimeter again she had got. So 2 Guinness World Records this Indian girl. Interesting now, very interesting. Such an amazing world. The second fact, yes, very quick. Jack Kai, this is a man. Now what's so special about this man? Let me tell you, just watch this video till end. Jack Kai from Australia. This man holds the Guinness World Record. Now this is very interesting. In the he is the fastest person to solve the Rubik's Cube. Now what is Rubik's Cube? This is the Rubik's Cube. And speaking, you all know what is this, right? Yes, this is the fastest person to solve it. Fastest. Now let me tell you, what is the time? Yes, the time is 16.22 seconds. Shocked. Yes, I am not mistaken, I am exactly right. This is the 16.22 seconds. This is the exact time he had taken, and something more to add about it. Now what's so special? Something more. This person has not just hold Guinness World Record so easily. He has done it blindfolded. Right, you heard me right. Blindfolded. He had just covered his eyes with some black color cloth or something, and he did it blindfolded within 16.22 seconds, solving the fastest person to solve the Rubik's Cube. Very interesting. Yeah, we need an applause for this person. And quickly the third one. Yes, do you know guys, in Florida's in 15th July 2019 in Florida, there was a beach cleanup. Yes, now beach cleanup, what's so special? Let me tell you, this beach cleanup was not so easy. Here, non-profit organization called Aware had launched a project of beach cleanup, and total 633 members had participated. And let me tell you, 3,200 laps of geofishing was used, and you will not believe, my dear viewers, that they had collected more than 9,000 tons of plastic from the Marine Drive. You will just interesting. This is the reason this holds a place in the Guinness Book of World Record. This is a very world record. We need this. This is much more needed in India. Yes, and this was very successful in Florida, and this is the reason they have got the place in Guinness World Record. You can see the images, the amount of garbage plastics they have collected. It is more than 9,000 tons. Such an interesting now. Fourth fact, very interesting. Now just listen to me very carefully. There is a Japanese chef, Japanese chef. What is so special? He made a noodles. Now you'll say, are you mad? What is so special? He made a noodle. Yes, but let me tell you something more. He made a noodle of around 600 centimeters. Yes, you heard me right. It was around 600 centimeters, and this was made with single attempt. Means he started with it one, say for suppose a smaller one this much, it went on, it went to 600 centimeters, and this was the longest noodles made in the history, and that is why he holds the place in the Book of World Record. Now let me tell you some rules of Guinness Book World Record. The rule for this world record especially was that you have to make it with single attempt without breaking. Means you just start making it, and middle it breaks, you have to stop. So this person made it continuous without breaking till 600 centimeters, and then it broke. But his world record was done. He had made it world record. He made it using dove. Understand? He made it using dove with a single attempt, and you can just imagine the longest noodle he made. You can see the image on the screen. Such an interesting person, na? And that is the reason why he had got his place in Guinness Book of World Record. Now next, yes, the fifth one. Just look on the screen. Before I flash the picture on the screen, I am today going to this fact is very interesting, especially for those who are freaks of social media, for youths who are mad behind social media views. This is especially for them. Jennifer Aniston, this is an actress. She is an actress. Now what is so special? She downloaded an app called Instagram where we all use it. What is so special about that also? When she has used Instagram, we all use. Let me tell you, now coming to the main point. She is the first person in the world. Now just listen to the story, very interesting. She downloaded the Instagram app. She clicked a picture with her fellow friends on October 15. October 15 was the date where she first, now exactly I don't know the year, she downloaded the Instagram app. She clicked a picture, she uploaded the Instagram. What is so very interesting about is she became the fastest social media user to get the views within 5 hours 16 minutes. 5 hours 16 minutes she got her million views. Yes, you heard me right. 1 million views within 5 hours and 16 minutes. Very interesting, nah? Yes, she is Jennifer Aniston. You can see the image on the screen. She's the one. Within 5 hours, 16 minutes, getting so much views. OMG. This is especially for those, you can think, yeah, you can just download. If you are using Insta, you can just try this, making your friends. Of course, she is an actress, so it was possible. Whatever. Next, the sixth and the last one in this video. See this image on the screen, what you can see. I cannot do this, but he can do this. That is why he has got his place in the Guinness Book of World Record. Man with the widest mouth opening. He can open his mouth at the widest, and that is around 170 centimeters. Yes, widest mouth opening is 170 centimeters. He had done this, and that is why his name is there in the Guinness Book of World Record. He had set this record in 2010. Amazing world. Weird. What to say now? And yes guys, very sadly, last but not the least, this is the end. This is a wrap on this video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, support this channel, and goodbye.